Guys, welcome back to my channel. This tutorial today was a requested tutorial and it will be about lips, you guys. So if you don't know me or if you're new to this channel, I teach tutorials. Yes, this is a fairly new channel, so I'm just starting out, so thank you for your support. But I teach tutorials through Procreate. So today's tutorial, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump in, is about lips. So let's go ahead and learn how to draw those lips. So I'm going to scale that down. I am using the thick detail brush from the Perfect Sketch brush set, and that's on rittenhouseart.com as well. I'll have the link down below so you could get the sketch brush that I use. So this is what we're going to do. You're going to start off drawing an oval shape. And remember, when you're sketching, it's really easy to just start like with a solid circle like that. You don't want to do that. You want to do many different lines until you get that shape that you want. And draw with your entire arm and not with your wrist, because it will be inconsistent like this. So you want to draw with your entire arm. So with that being said, let's get back into the lip tutorial. Let me go ahead and erase this. So we have a circle like this, or an oval. And then you want to do an oval at the bottom, like this, and another oval next to that one. So 3 ovals. And it looks like 3 eggs stacked on top of each other. What you want, or not like eggs, more like dough balls, but whatever. So what you want to do first is go ahead and draw a dot on the outsides like this to represent the corner of the mouth. And you want to do a quick motion around the bottom of this first circle right here. And with this motion, you're not doing just one line. You're doing many different strokes until you get that solid line that you like. So let's go ahead and draw the bottom lip by doing a flicking motion upwards. And I'm not connecting those lines. And then for the bottom lip, we're going to connect those 2 circles like this. For the top lip, you can have the uni lip look like this, the unilip. And that's where there is no Cupid's bow right there, which I think is so adorable. Or just gonna move this over to the side. Or you can have that Cupid's bow right here. So Cupid's bow is that little dip in the lip, and yes, mine looks a little dark because I was trying to fix it. Okay. I'm trying to fix it. Okay, so you can have the unilip or you can have the Cupid's bow. Each way is cute. So after you've drawn your lip, what you're going to do now, and I'm just shaping this so my brain can like function. What you're going to do now is take your smudge tool. And my smudge tool is on airbrushing and soft brush. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and smudge out these harsh lines. Well, let me merge these together. Smudge out these harsh lines. And I'm going along the guideline and along the lip. You don't want to just take the smudge brush and just go back and forth all crazy, because then you'll have weird smudge lines. So you want to go with the circle all the way down the top lip like this. And then go ahead and soften that top lip. And then for the bottom, you're going to do the same. Going to smudge outwards. Go around and smudge outwards. And then smudge like that. There you go. And make sure that doesn't look like butt cheeks or cleavage, because it is lips. And there you go. That's how you like draw those juicy, voluptuous lips. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do the second one really quickly, so we can move on to drawing them at a 3-corner view. Alright, so that's how you would draw like your basic lip, like that. Now I'm going to move these. Now when drawing them from the side, the top lip, you still want to have that circle shape at the top. And then, let me see how I want to explain this. Yes. Alright, so you have your circle at the top. Then you have a bigger one at the bottom. And this is the side view. So the nose would be here. Let me go ahead and erase that because that looks crazy. Yeah. There we go. Alright, so the nose would be here. My iPad does not want me to show you guys. And then you would have this part right there. So you want to draw that top part like that. And then this one will be bigger than this one. And that looks actually too dark, but let's go ahead. Finish. I'm going to draw the corner of my mouth there. That one you can't really see the corner. Draw your Cupid's bow. Go down. And this is the 3/4 view. Like that. So your nose actually wouldn't be like that. Your nose would be like this. And yes, I'm having like so much trouble. What's going on with me? So your nose would be like that for 3/4 view. Now go ahead and smudge this so you could see what I'm talking about. So that's how the 3/4 view would be. Like that. And then you would go ahead, just as before, and smudge those lines. And now, I'll put this right here. The side view is a little different. The side view, what I like to do is, hold on, let me go ahead and draw nose. You guys are putting me on the spot, so I'm like getting nervous here. But, so we went ahead, draw the nose, and then what you want to do is the lips have, let's see, the lips have like a little curve. And then they come back and down. So the corner of the mouth will be here. And I'm actually going to erase for a softer look. And the other lip won't stick out as far as the top lip. And it'll just come out like that. And then the chin would be here and so forth. But that's how I like to draw this side view, which is like that. So there you go. That is how you do your basic lips. I hope this tutorial has helped. Let me know in the comment section below. Let me know if this tutorial has helped. And if it didn't, then give me some tips and pointers, since I'm just starting my channel. Because I want to upload content that will actually help you guys. So let me know, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so that I can continue to give you guys that good content and to engage with you guys. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.